Hola, how's everybody doing? And yeah, no, this video, it's a sweet and sour moment, I should say. Stuff got done, cut some charge pipe or downpipe, and to start mocking up the downpipe itself. And we ran into another issue, but everything is solved though. But hope you guys are doing okay, and let's continue on with this video. Why so serial, Cody?
You're just registering this at Cody's, right?
Thank you guys for watching. Just trying to make it short. Actually, this is a short video actually, and just a little update of what's going on and actually happened already. The Integra is actually a lot more accomplished now than it was during this video. But thank you guys for watching. Catch you guys on the next one. Adios.